Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. It is about 8:35, almost 8. Yeah, 8:35. And double check, it's a little bit on the fuzzy side. It is back there a bit. 8:37. It was a 6, not a 5. Life happens. Anyway, PM, Sunday, August 31st. I'm going to clear out everything I have in the way of receipts and start making sure I cover everything, get it down to real tight for the next month for my doings. Uh, I won't have what do you call it? A visa thing because this is going for the 60-day visa, the second one. Uh, so, yay. And the ARC cards, that is already out of the way. My rent and water and electric will come up on the 21st. So putting all this in 1 month inside the month of September. Guess it starts off pretty good uh, on a Monday. So getting it all figured out and tightened down. Uh, I'm shooting for this to be, you know, if not, 800 and 850, at least under 1,000. I would like it to actually be somewhere between 850 and 9 with everything. 850 would be better. Uh, yeah, I had a fairly cheap day today. Went over and had breakfast after dropping my laundry off. 180 pesos there. And for laundry, I pick it up in the morning. I could have picked it up tonight, but yeah. Anyway, I went out and ate there, and yeah, I ended up. I think it was with my water for my breakfast over there, totaled out at a whopping 125. Oh my gosh, $2.20-30. Yeah, I'm gonna starve to death here. And then went out and bought my little muffins while I was out there also. And these are 35 cents for uh, one piece of chocolate fudge cake or something like that. And then two of these, 35 pesos. Uh, I'm having with my coffee. I know, I'm drinking coffee before going to bed. Yeah, I can do that. I'm an adult. I'm making my choice. But yeah, get this down to the basic simples. Uh, Came back, did a little around the house, took a nap, woke up, went back out the door, and ended up over at Park Mall. And I got this. It says it's 100 pesos. I got it for 50 because it's their last day there. And so, yay, I've got another little plant. I forget the name of it. Somewhere along the way, I'm going to have to. I got one that Ida Ida Corbola Grandes or something like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it Edith. Yeah, it's a cactus. Love you, Edith. It is what it is. Anyway, uh, but the actual name of it is Edith something. So interesting. But yeah, the got that. Ate a bowl of ramen, and that was 185. And then picked up a couple bottles of water for like 60 pesos. So yeah, and then my ride over and my ride back was uh, 15 and 15 for 30. Yeah. Now I'm back here enjoying my coffee and my uh, thing. Oh, I swung by and picked up a couple, or had my dinner there, little Colandaria, a couple pieces of chicken, some rice. It was good too. Chicken was fresh out of the frying. Yeah, it's less than $2 there. Uh, just chicken and rice, fried chicken and rice, 3 pieces, and rice. Uh, Bottle of water. I think it was total right at 100 pesos, so less than $2. I ate out today for yeah, uh, $6, $7. So yeah, 55 pesos to the dollar. So for 56, 57 pesos to the dollar. So I ate for way under $10 for the day, and I'm very full. Uh, and I can do that, but I want to try to limit some of my eating out. Problem is, it's just so cheap. Uh, and I can do most of my own cooking. Matter of fact, got the fixings. Gotta be doing some for tomorrow. You get to choose what you do. I choose to enjoy life here. I do enjoy cooking. I don't like doing dishes, but I do enjoy cooking. Plus, minus, cooking good food, dishes. Yeah. Can't win for losing on that situation. It's kind of like these. No matter what, you're always wearing dirty clothes. So, it is what it is. Anyway, tomorrow I'm going to try to do a little bit of the grocery shopping. I didn't really do much in the way of grocery shopping today. I intend on hitting the market. Uh, it is my intent to cook at least once a day, and then I can have one meal out. And between that, I should be able to keep my budget down and not be going crazy on things. Uh, I did manage to get over, like I said, Saturday to Saturday, yeah, up to the beach. I did post something about that, or was that Friday? Days are getting confusing because they kind of blend. I'm not stressing. I don't worry about what day it really is, other than I look up and it says Sunday the 31st. And I remember that it's Sunday the 31st. And I make my plans. And by the time I wake up tomorrow morning, I'll be lucky to remember that it's Monday. Do I really want to remember that it's Monday? How about we make it Sunday 2? Or, yeah, Sunday 2. Or Tuesday 1. Montuesday? Montuesday, there you go. It's a monster of a Tuesday. uh, anyway, bit off track, enjoying life. Ended up having one of my buses not stop for me, and I ended up riding all the way from Mandawi here, where I was supposed to get off, all the way over into Lapu Lapu. Found a transfer area over there that I hadn't been to before, and that there's a mall there for. So I'm going to have to get lost and make that trip again. I'm kind of liking just going out the door, putting my foot in one direction, and grabbing the first jeepney that comes by and just go. Yeah, try to keep the world at $10. Yeah, it's doable. Anyway, I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna finish my little roll. It's actually real good. I can't go over there that often, but I do get over there when I walk over to go do my carry my laundry down, go get that done, and swing by and get this, and then I eat it with my coffee. It's probably why I decided to have coffee tonight. I got one. I got two. Morning. Yeah. Anyway, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Uh, Lots of friends, lots of food, and lots of family, and I'm trying to make a few friends. That's a good thing. Uh, yeah, I might even try to talk one of them into taking a trip to the market with me. I don't know. It is what it is. But yeah, somewhere along the way, I also want to swing by and check out the assembled trucks. They cut a bunch of parts up over in Japan and ship them out as scrap, and they bring them over here and they reassemble them, and you can get them made reassembled here. Yeah, pretty much custom job. Do what you want with it. Me, I'm looking at it going, I would like to have a truck. I'm a Texan. We like having trucks, and after I wrecked my last one over there, I've been in that little Kia Rio 5. Yeah. Here's the kicker. I was looking at some of those trucks, and they're not much bigger than that Kia Rio 5. Yeah. It's a small little truck, but guess what? I ain't got a whole lot I got to haul, and it'll only really be used as a truck for moving me from place to place. And I was looking, they have the little electric scooters real cheap. Yeah, like 800 bucks. And you can get like uh, uh, 20 kilometers, so 10 miles on it. I'm okay with that. I don't go that far. And if I do, I got a truck. Just saying. Anyway, William, Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family, and more food. Like, comment, subscribe. Do you enjoy life? Have fun with it. Oh man, do I know I'm having fun here. I wish I'd have got here sooner. A lot sooner. Anyway, later blessings. Bye bye. I'm Fish. And hey, fish is out.